The main purposes of mouthwash are to destroy bacteria, freshen breath, and enhance general oral health. Even though there are many commercial mouthwash options, some people prefer to use homemade mouthwash. Here are some homemade mouthwash and how to use them. 1. Salt water. Rinsing your mouth with salt water reduces bacteria and soothes sore throats as well as minor oral irritations. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of warm water and swish the mixture around in your mouth for around 30 seconds before spitting it out. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda rinse is used to whiten teeth, prevent bad breath, and neutralize acids. Dissolved with 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish it around in your mouth for 30 to 1 minute, then spit it out. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide rinse can destroys bacteria, whitens teeth, and works well on canker sores. Add equal parts of water to 3% hydrogen peroxide to dilute and swish it for 30 seconds, then spit out the solution. Please use it cautiously because it could irritate your throat if you swallow it. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera rinse is used to soothe oral irritation, decreases inflammation, and speeds up the healing of mouth sores. Mix pure aloe vera gel with water and swish the liquid around in your mouth for around 30 seconds and spit it out. 5. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, sage, or mint, have calming and antimicrobial effects and can be used as a mouthwash. Steep the tea, let it cool to room temperature, and swish the tea in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute before spitting it out. 6. Pulling oil. Oil pulling helps in removing harmful bacteria, bad breath, and improving oral health. You can use oil like coconut oil or sesame oil. Swish 1 spoon around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes before spitting it out. Don't swallow it. The use of these home remedies can be beneficial for some oral health problems, but they should not replace your dental routine care. If you have any dental problem, please consult your dentist. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel.